How to share Google Sheets on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly that. First thing first, go ahead and open up your web browser. And then from here, tap on the Google Apps and head over to Google Drive. Now, once you land on your Drive, what you can do is create a new sheet on your Drive. So let me just create a new Google Sheet file. Click on it. And then once you open it up, once your Google Sheet is ready to be shared, let me just create a blank table or event task. So let's just create this one right here. Once you have created this, you'll find the share icon at the top right. You just have to click on this drop down, click on copy link, click on the share option, and then from here, click on save. Now, once you have saved this, you can click on this restricted access and make sure that you set this to anyone with the link. So anyone who has the link will be able to view the sheet, or if you want to give them editor access, you could do that as well. But I recommend you keep them as viewer because they might be able to change and mess up with your Google Sheet. Now, once you copy the link from here, go to your WhatsApp and open it up. Once you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do is head over to the chat where you want to share the sheet. As you've already copied the link, you can directly paste it on your chat. Now, once you tap on the chat, you can right click here and paste your link, or you could use your keyboard shortcut Control+V and then send it. Now, whoever clicks on this link will be redirected to this site and they will be able to view your Google Sheet. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.